Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. I went there to go see if they had any of the Halloween items that I was still wanting to take a look at, and they did, so I was super excited about that. And then I also got, I think I got a few other things that were not Halloween and fall related. So for example, I kept passing these up in the Dollar Trees, and these are paper trays. Let me see if I can show them to you. Yeah, there you go. So they're paper trays, so they had it in this really pretty mint iridescent color. I got a couple in that color, and then I got a couple in pink color. So I figured I might as well get those because I'm sure I'm gonna regret it. And I was at a store that had a lot of them, so got a couple of those. And then I got some more of the pink velvet pumpkins. Super pretty. And I also found a gray one, which I thought was pretty. So I'm gonna have to glue that down because see how that's sticking up right there? So I cannot believe that these are $1, you guys. They are so nice. So let me move this over here so you can see, like, there you go. You can see the whole thing. And then I also got these little glitter pumpkins in orange. And then I found them in purple. And I found more of these in different colors. So I had gotten an orange one before. So I ended up getting another orange one. And then I got 2 of the purple. And these are just branches, just glitter branches. And then I got 2 of the black, which I thought were gorgeous. So got those. My bag is now filled with glitter from those. Then I got one of these cute little bags. I wish I had found it in different colors because these are good to stuff full of goodies for Happy Mail and swap. So I figure I'll use this one at Christmas time. I know they had these in different colors, but I only found one red one at the store that I went to, so I just went ahead and grabbed it. Hopefully I find more. Then I picked up some more black streamer paper or crepe paper. I'm getting better at making crepe rosettes, you guys. Let me show you really quick. This one's not perfect, but I'm trying. I was really bad, and I wanted mine to have layers. So what I need to do is I need to cut the excess off until it's like a round circle. But I've been practicing, and I went through a lot of black crepe paper, so I got some more. And then I also got some pink. And then, oh, I found these super cute pumpkins, pumpkin picks, and they have faces on them. So could not pass those up. They are so cute. Oh, I guess that's right. I ended up getting 2 of each. I got 2 of the pink, 2 of the black. And I got this straw bale for some fall decorations in the house. And oh, my hubby put this in my shopping cart because I was using his teeny tiny screwdrivers to take apart. Let me show you. I'm working on a bead project right now, and I'm altering. This was an unfinished box from Michael's, and I painted it black, and I had used his screwdrivers to take off all the hardware. Are the screwdrivers in here? Let me see. No, it's other stuff. So anyway, yeah, he was like, let's get you your own screwdrivers. Of course he would let me use his anytime, but now I have my own, and it's got both Phillips and flatheads. So great deal, right? Then I found these cute chevron straws. Couldn't spit that out, straws. And then I found some more of the, these pretty bottle stickers. So I got another pack of those. Then I found some of the Halloween stickers that I hadn't seen yet. So I got the sugar skulls. They're so pretty. And then I also got the Hocus Pocus ones. Then I still have some more fall and Halloween at the bottom of the bag that I want to show you guys because I found something that is so cute that I think you guys need to to get, or at least I want to show it to you to see if you want to get it. I found these beautiful flower stickers. And I think I have one of these, but I can't remember which one. I like to gift these when I'm doing like flower projects. I also found these. These will be pretty for Christmas. And then I found these ones. Then I found this super cute stencil that says Dream Big. And then I got some more of these. These are nice to fill with goodies when you're doing swaps and Happy Mail. So I got two in the, what is this, like a teal color? And then I got, oops, sorry guys. And then I got two in the blue. And then they only had one of the like clear iridescent. So got those. And, oh, I got some of these mini bottles. And then these are what I want to show you guys that are so stinking cute. I found these itty bitty little wood pumpkins, which I'm gonna paint them. They are so cute. I got 3 of the pumpkins, and then I got some acorns, which are so cute. I had to get 2 of the acorns. And then I got the mushrooms. So they had the flat mushrooms and then like the pointy mushrooms. Is that the right way to describe those? So yeah, guys, let me see. Is that all my haul from Dollar Tree? Yep, that is everything. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys that. Had a lot of fun going out there and seeing all the new stuff. It's like a hunt, you guys. It's like a treasure hunt, because some stores you go in and they barely have anything, like maybe a quarter of their shelf will have something, and then other stores are just like nothing. And then some stores have like a pretty good amount. But yeah, I would say get out there and start getting some of this Halloween and fall stuff if you like to craft for that time of year, or even for decor, because it's going fast. Like some of the stores I went to, like so much of their stuff was already gone. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you're all doing well. And I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.